Fabuletta 24 PA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner 6-in-1 Lightweight Stick Vacuum. With powerful suction 250W brushless motor, for pet hair carpet hard floor powerful suction and ultra-quiet operation with 250W brushless motor, Fabuletta Cordless Stick Vacuum provides 24,000 pascals powerful suction on max mode, so it can instantly capture debris, dust, crumbs, pet hair, and other messes with ease. The brushless motor generates less heat and noise, 63 decibels, which results in more energy saving and longer service life compared with other regular brushed motors. Self-standing and multi-function and lightweight with self-standing design. You can stand the Fabuletta FSV001 hardwood floor vacuum wherever you want. Besides, it only weighs 3.3 pounds, extremely suitable for one-hand cleaning, with abundant accessories including dusting brush and long crevice tool. This wireless vacuum cleaner can be assembled into 6 combinations, meet all your daily cleaning needs, and provides you with an excellent cleaning experience. Detachable battery and long-lasting runtime with 7x2200 large capacity rechargeable battery. The cordless stick vacuum cleaner cordless provides an outstanding cleaning performance for up to 45 mins, low mode for 45 mins, standard mode for 30 mins, max for 15 mins, which ensures thorough cleaning all around the house. The detachable battery can be charged singly or on its main body. Flexible LED motorized floor brush and LED display, flexible 180 degrees swivel sideways and 90 degrees up and down. Lets you clean your home in all directions. 3 LED lights help vacuum cleaner cordless illuminate every dark area, track dust and dirt. With LED display, you can easily check the information from this cordless stick vacuum, like suction